Hey everyone, so today I have a box of Pokemon cards, and this is not a Pokemon card channel, but you know what? The TCG Pokemon collection app has ruined me. So I looked at the art and I'm like, this is really making me want to buy Pokemon cards, and I did it. I went to Japan recently and I was like going into their local convenience stores and just buying Pokemon packs here and there, and I decided to get the box of the new ones. It's been out for a bit of time, but it's new for me and I haven't opened one yet. So I got this. Now, my luck is absolutely dog shit. So if you've seen my other blind box videos, you know that I literally don't get good luck at all. My luck is horrible. Even in the Pokemon TCG app, they have like the new Mew Mystical Island booster packs, and I've opened like 40 packs and haven't got a single full art card. And I've been getting my full art cards by wonder picking. I guess that's luck in its own way, but yeah, no good luck. But we're gonna hope that this change. Also, I don't know if you noticed, but I changed my YouTube handle, so it's not Polymomo anymore. I switched it to PMT because I've been going by that in various games. So I'm just like, you know what, it'll just be PMT. Much more simpler. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Now, I've heard horror stories of people getting like resealed boxes. There's really no way to find out if this is resealed or not, so we're just gonna hope that the person I bought it from was legitimate. This, super cute. Wait, I have to take a thumbnail. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, so beautiful. We have 10 different packets. We really want the alternative arts, the SARs. There's no way of knowing if a box will even have a single one of them. But let's just hope that my bad luck doesn't translate to real life. I'm pretty sure it will, but we'll see. Let's go ahead and open the first one. See, I have a friend who opened a few boxes and she got a couple of the rare ones. She got the Umbreon, the Glaceon, the Eevee, and a Leafeon, so... Okay, they said to open it from... Oh, there we go. So I'm pretty new to Pokemon carding, so I don't know the system. We're just gonna go ahead and go through them. Oh, wait. Oh. Oh, it's just a Leafeon. It's fine, it's fine. Okay, so it's like in the middle of it. The cards are so glossy. Hold on, how many cards is that? That was like 5 cards from the back, so I'll bring that to the front. Okay, so well, we just got Leafeon. That's fine, that's fine. And we're just gonna shield all the holographics. There we go. Number 2. Okay, so it's 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring that to the front. Let's see if we did that right. And we did not do that right, so it was 4. Okay. Entei, Garchomp, some other stuff. Wiglet. Oh, there's a bunch of shinies. Ooh, we got a Master Ball though. Apparently these Master Ball cards are super rare, so... We got... I don't know this Pokemon's name. I only know the Pokemon's name from the first 4 generations. I've played every single Pokemon game though, so no one judge me, but I just don't remember the names as much. But we got a Master Ball, which is worth pretty good, I think. I'm really not a Pokemon card person, but maybe this will turn me into one, so I'll know like the ins and outs a little bit better. 1, 2, 3. Let's do 4 this time. I think 4 is the right one. Ooh. So I have not very coordinated. I keep sliding it on accident, so I see the glitters. In the Pokemon TCG app, literally I'm always like, ooh, what is it? Sometimes I think maybe I shouldn't. Oh, we got a gold card and a Jolteon. I don't think these are that popular though. It's like one of the future Pokemon, Iron something. But we will shield ya. Okay, so we got these 2 in that pack. And then no Pokeballs or Master Balls. Someone did say that apparently each box comes with like 2 or 3 Pokeballs or Master Balls. I don't know how true that is. And obviously there's like, you know, some people could get more. There's something called a God Pack or something where you can get a bunch of holographics or full art cards. That's never gonna happen to me anyways because my luck is awful. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's Sinischa? Sinischa, something like that. And an A-Spec, and oh, is that Okidogi? I guess that's okay. I don't understand why they have such like really fancy versions of item cards. Like, I don't think people really want that. We got these 2. So far we didn't get any SARs. This is pack number 5 already. We literally haven't gotten anything like scream-worthy. But I'm pretty sure it is 4. It's been working out. So we got the hang of that. Umbreon. I do like the basic arts. Ooh, I like that. Is this also Sinistra? It's Poltegeist or something like that. It's the little version of this. Okay. Goldeen, I love Goldeen. It's like the fireworks. I think they have a Seeking version of that too. Abra's whatever. Iron whatever. For Alligator. Oh! And we have the Longnet Raikou SAR. That means that I won't get an Eevee SAR. I should top load this though, no? I am very disappointed. Hold on. Doesn't even want to go in the top loader. I can't do it. Okay. People are gonna be like, oh, you should be happy that you got this card. Yes, but it's not the card I expected. But I can't be that disappointed because my luck is, like I said, it's awful. Let's just open the other 5 in hopes of something better. But probably won't happen. I have succumbed to reality. Item. Zatu. Katani. Sword. This is Roaring Moon. I know the name. Misdrevis? Pot of Greed. I don't know what that is. Oh, and one of the Terastal masks. Wait, were any of these Pokeballs? Oh, this was a Pokeball. This was a Pokeball. And then nothing else. So we had a Pokeball in this set. Pot of Greed. Okay, Applin. I like this art. I really like this like festival style art. Ooh, trainer. Another trainer. This looks like an item from Super Smash. Slurpuff? Eevee! This is like Ursaring's evolution, no? The Hisuian version. This is like Revroom's evolution, or Varoom, something like that. And Goldingo. Oh, did I do it wrong? Okay. Well. We got Goldingo. 3 left. So how come it's 4 for some and 5 for some? The buffalo? It's like Buffalint or something? Jirachi! Seeking! We have the set. Golden Seeking set. Feebas. It's like, I forgot this name. Zorua? This is Zorua. Frostlass. Monkey Dory. And Umbreon EX. Well, none of these are Pokeballs, right? I'm not even looking for Pokeballs. This is pack number 8, 9. We only have 2 packs left. Okay, this is that Monkey's evolution. Time thing, energy, snow runs, Natu, sword and shield thing. This is Alakazam. And then another, this is Iron Hands, EX, and Kadabra. Well, no God pack, you guys. I wasn't expecting it though, so it's okay. Sometimes it's better to have like really low expectations, but then, you know, you really always kind of have a little bit of hope thinking that, well, it could be. Tatsugiri, item, something, a watch, building, Palafin, Brambler. Ooh, another Pokeball. And Sylveon. So we did get 3 Pokeballs like they said. Okay. Let's find the Pokeballs. So we got Leafeon, Jolteon, Sylveon, and Umbreon EX. Then we got Iron Hands, Goldingo, Mask Thingy, Okidogi, this Ace Spec, and this EX card that's gold. We got this Raikou SAR, which I didn't even know was even part of this set, but I guess it is. And then here we got 2 Pokeballs and a Master Ball of this one. We'll have to keep on the lookout for next time. But guess what? I have a box of these too. So maybe we'll open this next, no? We'll see if my luck translates here. We want Bubble Mew.